జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. సుందరకాండ. While meditating upon Sri Ramachandra Swami, Praharsham Paramam Jagama, she felt so happy to finally hear something about Ramachandra Swami from someone. And then again she has seen up to that Simsupa Vriksham, the tree. Finally she could see Hanuma sitting there. Pingadhipatehe Amatyam. Now she is seeing Anjaneya Swami, who is the minister of Sugriva. Now Sitamma is seeing Vatatmajam Suryam Ivodayastham. Sitamma is seeing Hanuma, who is glowing like a sun and who is the son of Vayudeva. Sitamma is seeing Anjaneya Swami, who has effulgence equivalent to bunch of lightnings. Such Anjaneya Swami is seen by Sita Devi. At first she got scared, and then she is getting surprised to see Anjaneya Swami and all his obedience, humbleness is expressed in his bright eyes. Such Anjaneya Swami is seen by Sita Devi. Sitamma, after seeing Hanuma, she got shocked and slowly got surprised, and then getting scared to see Hanuma. With that kind of fear, Sitamma saying Rama, Rama, Lakshmana, like that while taking their names, Sita Devi is crying. Right in front of her, Hanuma is there with all his humbleness, but Sita Devi thinking that it may be a dream. And again she thought for a second, and thinking that I have seen Vanara in my dream. I also heard that if a Vanara monkey comes in dream, it is a bad omen. I don't know if anything bad happening to Rama and Lakshmana. Swasti astu Ramaya sa Lakshmanaya. Ho Rama, may you be safe. Ho Lakshmana, may you be safe. Oh my dear father Janaka Maharaja, may you be safe. I don't think it is a dream, because I haven't slept at all. How can I even sleep when I am separated from my Rama? In this much of grief, I would never sleep. If I don't sleep, there is no way that I could dream anything. But because I am separated from my Rama, I have been thinking about Rama a lot. Rameti, Rameti, Sadaiva Buddhya. My mind is engaged in thinking about Rama. Vichintya Vacha Bruvati Tameva. My mouth is engaged in singing and talking about Rama, and my inner eyes tasyanurupam prapasyami. My inner eyes enjoying Rama, looking at Rama, and my ears always feeling that I am hearing Sri Ramachandra Swami's glory. Like this, Sarvatmana, in all aspects and respects, I am fully occupied in thinking about Rama. That is why maybe I am feeling that somebody is saying Ramanamam. But that is also not true. Right now, right in front of me, I can see this Vanara. I can clearly see this Vanara. He is also talking to me. Hope this becomes true. Hope this Vanara, whatever he spoke about my Rama, is true. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasharatha Rama, Rama Rama Dasharatha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. Jai Sriman-Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman-Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.